Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for September 30th through October 4th. Let me see what we have going on this week. Actually, this past week, we've had a lot to celebrate here at Brock Elementary. At Fly Friday today, we actually did the Slime Your Principal for the Write a Check PTC fundraiser, which was a great, it was a great thing. All of the kids had a lot of fun. I had 32 gallons of slime dumped on my head, and so did Miss Saxton, which it was all for a really good cause, and the kids had a great time. So here's a couple pictures there, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot more floating around out there on social media and some videos as well. So something else that you may have some questions about, on Tuesday we had something on our campus called a house reveal. And actually, we are working with our communications director, Miss Natalie Parrish, to put together a video that will explain a lot more about what we're doing here with that. But we had our reveal on Tuesday, and our kids found out what house they're going to be in. And so these are kind of some fun pictures. And they don't even do it justice. It was really cool. As each teacher found out, they popped their huge 36-inch balloon and confetti and glitter of their house color sprayed all over them in their class, which was really fun. But anyways, what is it? So basically, our point of it is every third week that the kids will meet in their house. And during that time, there's going to be planning of a service project. All of the lessons that are planned by Miss Davis, our counselor, Miss Ward, our music teacher, and Miss Harrison, our STEAM teacher, are going to be focused around the 7 habits of happy kids. And they're going to be taking these lessons and throughout the year developing a service project within their house that will serve our community. And so we're really excited to see what the kids will come up with. This is a very different time for all of our kids in Fly Friday and all of that. This is really a time to build community, respect, and service in a very organized and in a very good way. And so anyways, your kids may have come home and said, I'm in the Empower House or Tradition or Discover. And so we got these words from our vision, mission, and belief statements of Brock ISD. And this is what we came up with. So your kiddo will either be in the Empower House, and we talked to them about the fact that those kids will learn and teach our whole school about educating children to believe in themselves and to empower others to go after their dreams. In the Tradition House, continuing our legacy of success by supporting one another and always doing our best. And so that house will really learn about that and spread that and teach that to our staff or to our kids. And then the Discover House, explore and share our strengths to help make the world a better place. We're very excited about this. This is not only again going to be focused around a service project, but really just growing community on our campus and giving ourselves another opportunity to support our kids in a social, emotional way. And so we're really excited to get that video out to you guys and get more information and really have you guys see what comes out of this time with our kids. We're very excited. Um, this coming up week is Monday. The kids have no school. Our staff will be here in professional development time and getting better for the kids. Tuesday evening is a community bond presentation meeting it says at the high school, but actually I think it's in the junior high. So let me get that. I'm going to fix that. And then let me see, October 2nd is picture day here at Brock Elementary. And so we'll get all of our best stuff on here, and homecoming week is coming up, so that'll be exciting. We will be traveling to the high school on Friday for a Brock district pep rally, which those are always so much fun. And I know that the cheerleaders and all of our high school kids put a lot into making those pep rally great for our kids when we're able to come over. So we're excited about that. Here's that calendar of events that our PTC put together for us. Really great. Just on another note, we don't have the Passionately Pink in on our elementary calendar at this time, but we will be promoting and selling those shirts, and we will have a day that week that our whole school will wear those shirts. And so we'll be getting information out to you about that coming up. And so again, here's some more important dates coming up. Fall Festival, like I said on the last video, it's something not to be missed. It's just a great thing for our community, event for our community, sorry, where everybody comes together, has a great time celebrating being a Brock Eagle and raising money for our schools. So we're very excited about that. This is still tentative with Red Ribbon Week. We're still working on some stuff, but again, working with the other schools to try to be aligned as possible. Anyway, so that's what we have going on this week. I hope you have a wonderful long weekend. And as always, I appreciate you sharing your kids with us. It's been a great week, and I look forward to many great weeks ahead. Go Eagles!